How to fix GCash app account is on hold. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If your GCash account is on hold, it may be due to several reasons such as inactivity, invalid information, suspicious activity, or legal orders. Now, if you want to regain access, what you want to do is open up any web browser, then search for GCash help, then get to GCash help center. Now you want to tap on these three lines. Now tap on contact us. Here you will have this option of chat with Gigi. Tap on this. It will now take you to the customer support chat box. Here you want to type in your issue and send it. Now you want to follow the instructions and enter all the required information. So here enter your GCash registered name, mobile number and email, then tap on the send option. After that, you will also have to provide photos of two valid government issued ID, a selfie holding the IDs, a screenshot of your phone setting showing your GCash registered number. Then the GCash support will help you regain access to your account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.